So another one that's no particular celebrity connection unless you include Colin Chapman and Oliver Winterbottom from Lotus. This is the prototype Lotus Elite 1972. This is chassis 0001A. And it's been fairly recently rediscovered, like many of these kind of cars with the fiberglass bodies. You've got a bit of blistering, sort of micro blistering to the paint, but it's been stashed away for 40 years and sort of rediscovered. Anyway, it's guided 15 to 20,000, which, you know, for the prototype car doesn't seem like a big uplift on what the standard model would be. So I guess the standards, you're looking at maybe 10 for a decent one, I think, for an Elite, maybe slightly more, and this is only 15 to 20, so I think that could well be undervalued. I think there might be a bit of a theme here today, that if they're under-guiding to try and make them more appealing to people, make people more come forward with more bids. But yeah, anyway, it's a nice car, and it's a nice dark green colour as well.